Hey, this is Don. Welcome back to my old time machine shop reality channel. It's reality, the weight of these things. And don't forget to go to the Rusty Pelican, wherever it is, a proud sponsor of this channel. Okay. So, when I first started making videos a couple years ago on the DD channel, it's one of the first things I showed was making some basic tools. And I made this little scraper that's just very handy. It's kind of tapered. It's got a piece of carbide on the end there. Well, I just need to touch it up. It's sort of like I grind this thing, then I use this Starrett down a little bit, then I take and do it on the diamond stone, hone it a little bit and it's sharp again. But after a while, you kind of daub the edge over a little bit. And it's really nice to start with a fresh grind because you keep reducing the angle as you're daubing that back. So I'm going to restore the angle using an antique tool and cutter grinder. So we'll get over there and do that. Okay, I think you can see everything here. Now, I've got my shop built but precision tool post grinder mounted to the top of this wheel head here. And I've got vitrified wheels in the wheel head at this time. And I've got a diamond wheel in this. It's like an auxiliary spindle and it tilts. So I can tilt it. But I got it set at 90 right now. And I got a V-block here in the Rotadex. And I'm going to put the scraper to be sharpened in there. Kind of have a look at it, eyeball it, get it level. It doesn't have to be absolutely precision. Let's see. Get that clamp in a good spot. Maybe back there a little more. Okay, how are we looking? Pretty good. Now, I just want to maintain the angle, so I just, let's see, let me get this. I have to juggle this stuff just a little bit. Okay, so I can rotate this around like that, and I have it adjusted to flip this square around to what I want to grind. Okay, so it's set up there at the angle I want, the angle that it was, probably about 5 or 6 degrees of that. And I'm going to set this at 90 here. Lock it down. Let's see. I got to put some better light on it there to see those little marks. I even got a magnifier here. That's just absolutely helpful. Right on it with the magnifier. Now, if I don't move it, this thing's really quite a quality thing, and it doesn't really move when you turn the locks. Okay, that one's locked. This one's locked at 0. It's all tight. I've got a Starrett combination V-block with the tail screwed to it in a 1-inch collet in the All Tool Rotadex. So I'm going to start up that diamond wheel. Got everything centered this way. I just used one of these surface gauges. See, we're all centered. And I'm going to turn on the vacuum because carbide's real toxic. And I'm just showing a basic grind that I do all the time. And it's good to use the tool and cutter grinder because it'll be easier to use for more complicated projects when you need it. So I'm going to kick on now. vacuum, and I'm going to feed that in and see if I got stops that'll work. One second, I got to disconnect this here. That won't mess with my vacuum. It's not ready to fall out. I've got this all good. Hey, I'll be right back. It's important to have this working. Okay, back here, I got this vintage but very effective filter queen vacuum cleaner. It actually has a few stages of putting air back in the room, including a charcoal filter, and I can't smell the carbide, so I think it's working. Carbide has a real strong smell, and I'm going to touch up the diamond wheel with the supplied white abrasive stick. Kind of cleans it up, and I was using it pretty heavily a little while ago. You can kind of see it brighten up just a little bit. Okay, let's get it back here. It's not going to take very much. Probably about 10 thousandths back. Okay, I'll get this light up high here. And I have to up. There we go. And I'm going to set it at 0 here. The dial on 0 and take just about 1,000ths at a time. Get my hand on my knob here that moves the table. About 7 thousandths off it. I'm thinking it'll take 10. Clean that up as I kind of daubed it back with the Corning stone. Okay, there's 10. I'm just going to run it by a few times here. Not quite grabbing my fingernail yet, so I'm going to go just a few more thousandths. About 4 thousandths more there. Yeah, it's grabbing now. It's sharp. Okay. Put it back tomorrow. We'll have a look at it. Yeah, see, that's sharp. Yeah, it just digs in. Just what you want. Okay. Well, I'm going to head out there. I need this for just general working on that drill press, scraping stuff. You should make one of these for yourself. It's so handy. I got clearance on all the sides here, including the back. It's like you can pull with it. Okay.